Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best oven cleaner brush is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone who wants to maintain a sparkling clean oven without the hassle of harsh chemicals or endless scrubbing, as this innovative gadget is designed to tackle tough grease, baked-on food, and stubborn residue with remarkable ease, saving you time and effort while ensuring your oven looks and functions like new, making it a must-have for every kitchen. Number 5. OXO Good Grips Deep Clean Brush Set. Introducing the OXO Good Grips Deep Clean Brush Set, designed to tackle tough cleaning jobs around your home. This set includes 2 versatile brushes to make cleaning easier. The large brush is perfect for cleaning wider areas like grout lines and shower door tracks. Its durable bristles effectively scrub away dirt and grime. For those hard-to-reach spots, the small brush is your ideal solution. It's designed to fit into tight spaces, ensuring a thorough clean every time. The small brush features a unique wiper blade. This handy tool is perfect for clearing built-up dirt from drains and other narrow crevices. Both brushes are equipped with durable nylon bristles for effective scrubbing. They also feature soft, comfortable non-slip grips for a secure hold during use. With this set, you have the perfect tools for any cleaning challenge. Experience a deeper clean with ease and comfort. What we like? This set offers 2 distinct brush sizes, perfect for tackling both broad surfaces and intricate details. The included wiper blade is a game-changer for clearing stubborn debris from tight spots. If you're looking for versatility and efficiency in your cleaning routine, this is the set for you. What people say. This brush is very effective at removing baked-on grease and grime from oven surfaces. The bristles are stiff enough to scrub tough messes but also flexible enough not to scratch delicate surfaces. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to apply pressure during cleaning. Number 4. Scrub-It Multi-Purpose Kitchen Sponges, 6-pack, small. Introducing our versatile kitchen sponges, designed for all your cleaning needs. They offer powerful scrubbing without scratching surfaces. Effortlessly remove grease and grime from dishes, pots, and pans. These sponges provide heavy-duty scrubbing power when you need it most. Made with advanced microfiber, they effectively trap dirt and absorb liquids. Enjoy a superior clean with every use. These sponges are built to last, offering a reusable solution for your kitchen. Save money and reduce waste with this durable pack. This 6-pack includes small-sized sponges, ideal for everyday tasks. They fit comfortably in your hand for easy maneuverability. Trust Scrub-It for reliable cleaning tools. Make your kitchen chores simpler and more effective with these essential sponges. What we like? These sponges combine gentle microfiber with powerful scrubbing capabilities, making them ideal for everyday dishwashing without damaging surfaces. If you need a reliable, non-scratch option for your dishes and pots, this multi-pack offers great value. What people say. The brush is very effective at scrubbing away baked-on grease and grime from oven surfaces. Its sturdy bristles hold up well to tough cleaning tasks without bending or breaking. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to maneuver the brush around the oven interior. Number 3. SXhyf Crevice Cleaning Brush. Introducing a cleaning brush designed to make your toughest chores simpler. Its sturdy construction ensures it can handle significant messes. This tool is engineered with a narrow head, perfect for getting into those tight gaps and corners. It effortlessly removes dust and debris from hard-to-reach places. From windowsills and grout lines to sink corners and fridge gaskets, this brush is your go-to for various household cleaning tasks. It's also great for cleaning your car and laundry room. Experience a comfortable grip with its non-slip handle and enjoy the pliable yet effective bristles. Made from quality plastic and alloy, it's built to last. Keep your cleaning space tidy with its convenient hanging hole for easy storage and drying. This compact gadget is ideal for any home, including new apartments and RVs. Looking for a practical gift? This cleaning brush is an excellent choice for birthdays, Mother's Day, or Father's Day, offering a comprehensive cleaning solution. What we like? Its specialized narrow head and hard bristles are designed to reach into the smallest gaps and corners, making it perfect for deep cleaning grout lines and crevices. If you struggle with hard-to-reach dirt and grime in tight spaces, this brush is your solution. What people say. The brush is very effective at removing baked-on grease and grime from oven surfaces. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and maneuver, even in tight spaces. The bristles are stiff enough to scrub tough messes but gentle enough not to scratch the oven interior. Number 2. 4-piece kitchen dish brush set, black. Introducing our 4-piece kitchen dish brush set, designed to tackle all your cleaning needs. This set provides a comprehensive solution for a sparkling clean kitchen. This set includes a durable dish brush with a long handle, a scrub brush, a bottle scrubber, and a specialized straw brush. Each tool is designed for specific cleaning tasks. Perfect for your daily dishwashing routine, these brushes make cleaning pots, pans, bowls, bottles, and sinks effortless. Keep all your kitchenware and household items pristine. Our dish brush features extra-strength bristles at the tip, ensuring it reaches every corner for a thorough clean. The scrub brush includes a built-in scraper to easily remove stubborn, stuck-on food. The bottle brush boasts a long neck for easy access inside bottles, while its moderately stiff bristles provide effective yet gentle cleaning. No spot will be left uncleaned. What we like? This set provides a variety of brushes, including a dedicated bottle scrubber and straw brush, all with comfortable long handles. If you frequently clean bottles, straws, or need extended reach for your sink and pots, this comprehensive set is an excellent choice. What people say? It's a great brush for cleaning ovens. The brush is very effective at removing baked-on grease and grime. The bristles are stiff enough to scrub tough messes but gentle enough not to scratch surfaces. Number 1. Holikme 6-piece dish brush set. Tired of cluttered drawers and ineffective cleaning tools? This comprehensive set tackles all your kitchen cleaning needs, from greasy dishes to stubborn sink grime, all in one cost-effective package. Struggling with dirt in narrow gaps and corners? Our specially designed brushes reach deep into tight spaces, sweeping away hidden grime for a truly thorough clean. Dreading long scrubbing sessions? The wide scouring pad makes cleaning large surfaces like tubs and tiles a breeze, removing tough residue quickly and efficiently. Worried about damaging delicate surfaces? Our tough yet gentle bristles effectively remove baked-on grime from appliances without scratching, protecting your valuable items. Need to clean tricky aquarium filters or tubing? These versatile brushes easily reach tight compartments and curved hoses, scrubbing away tough residue without causing damage. What we like? This comprehensive kit tackles all your cleaning needs, from deep scrubbing in narrow gaps to safely cleaning delicate appliance interiors. If you're tired of juggling multiple tools and want a single solution that can handle tough grime without damaging surfaces, this set is for you. What people say? The brush is very effective at removing baked-on grease and grime from oven surfaces. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and maneuver, even in tight spaces. The bristles are stiff enough to scrub tough messes but gentle enough not to scratch the oven interior. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.